In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your game activity show on Discord. Whether you're an avid gamer who wants to share their experiences with friends, or just want to keep everyone updated on what you're playing, enabling game activity on Discord can really enhance your social interactions on the platform. So let's dive in and set it up together. To begin, you'll need to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Discord's website. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not logged in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, your username and password. Simply fill those in, and you'll be directed to your Discord home. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Discord homepage. It's a familiar place where all of your conversations and channels live. From here, you want to locate the user settings. To do this, look towards the bottom left of your screen, just beside your username. There's a little gear icon. That's your user settings. Give that a click, and you'll be taken to a new menu. In this menu, there's a variety of settings that you can adjust to personalize your Discord experience. What we're interested in today is the section labeled Activity and Privacy. You'll find this on the left side of the menu, so scroll down just a bit until you see it. Go ahead and click on Activity and Privacy to proceed. Inside the Activity and Privacy settings, you'll find various options related to what you share and how your activity is displayed to others. Look for the option called Share My Activity. This is what allows your gaming activity to be shown to your friends. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and click that toggle to enable it. Once it's switched on, your game activity will automatically update whenever you start playing a game, keeping all your friends in the loop about what you're up to. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've set up your Discord account to show your game activity. Now, whether you're playing solo or teaming up with friends, you'll be able to show off the games you're playing in real time. This is a great way to enhance your gaming experience, share cool moments, and even invite friends to join you in your adventures. If you ever want to adjust any of these settings again, or turn off game activity, simply follow the steps we've gone through today. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!